Hello guys, this is a quick update on what is happening on the market right now for Bitcoin. I want to do a quick analysis for you guys. For those who are not yet experienced in technical analysis, I hope that this video will be helpful for you. So right now I'm looking at the 1 hour time frame and I noticed something. Yesterday I saw that we have a bearish divergence on the 1 hour time frame. As you can see here below on the RSI, this is a bearish divergence, and the bearish divergence is created when the price is going up, right? But the indicator is actually going down. So when you see that, that is a bearish divergence. When you see that the price on the chart is just going up, but then the RSI indicator, once it has reached the oversold area, it just starts heading down, then you know for sure eventually that price is gonna retrace. And this is exactly what happened over here. As you can see, once Bitcoin hit 68,675, it started falling down a bit, and it had to do that because we had a bearish divergence signal here on the RSI, and also you can see the MACD as well also gave us that signal here once the cross happened at around right here where I'm pointing. So it happened, yeah, like right there. The MACD, the blue line went underneath, and that is bearish, and that's why we're seeing that the price is falling down a bit. So I went to the bigger time frame to try to have a bigger picture on what is happening. So I went on the 4 hour and try to see if I can find a pattern, and yes, I did find a pattern. I see that Bitcoin now is now forming a rising wedge, and this is not a very good thing for Bitcoin. Usually a rising wedge is a bearish pattern, and that means that once Bitcoin breaks out of this rising wedge, once it breaks down from it, then most likely the price is going to go down. So you want to be careful right now. If you're placing longs, then just be careful. You don't usually, when the market has already gone so high up in price, it is not recommended to place a long position. You want to place your long position once it retraces, and the retracement right now is happening, but I believe that the final retracement will happen once we reach 70,000. Yeah, I believe that we will reach 70,000 sometimes this week. If not, by next week for sure we should reach 70,000. At that point the price should start falling down a bit to consolidate before it heads back higher. So just keep this in mind when you're doing your trading. Be careful not to long right now. Just make sure, if you're trying to long right now, make sure that you're doing it to stay in the trade for a short period of time. You don't want to long and stay in a longer trade. If you want to find a good longing opportunity, I would recommend that you look at the smaller time frame, such as the 1 hour or the 30 minutes, 15 minutes as well, to find the best longing opportunities. So if I was to trade here for the shorter time frame, I would, so if I go to the 1 hour time frame right here, I can see here we have a few horizontal support and resistance lines. So the first support was like around here at 66,400. So this is why you see Bitcoin bounced back from that once it hit that. So that's a support for it. And you know, support is formed once the price breaks a resistance area. So this was previously a resistance, right? So a previously resistant area becomes the new support. So once it broke out of this resistance, now it's coming back here to test this support. So currently right now, this is the supported area for Bitcoin, and it's holding on to that support, but we will see if that support is strong enough to help it bounce back. If not, then it might break that support and then head towards the next support, which is like right over here at 65, like around 65.200, 300. So yeah, it will be around 65.200, 400 area. But this line here is also a support. So anytime if the price touches this line, this is going to be another support for it, and the price should bounce back from that. And yeah, it will just keep doing that until eventually the price breaks out of this wedge, and then we should expect a little bit of correction. Alright, so that is it. Stay safe, guys, in your trade. Make sure you're not using too high of a leverage, and only use money that you can afford to lose. Do not put in money that you need for bills or anything. Alright, thank you for watching, and enjoy the rest of your day.